The local and international football fraternity is still coming to grips with the untimely death of former Reggae Boy and Sheffield United striker Luton Shelton, after succumbing to his terminal bout with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or ALS, a progressive neurodegenerative disease more commonly known as Lou Gehrig's disease. Sheffield United reacted via tweet saying the condolences of all at the Blades are with Luton's family at this time, while Norwegian outfit Vålerenga, one of Shelton's former clubs, added, "Rest in peace Luton, you'll never be forgotten." Shelton scored 35 goals in 75 internationals for Jamaica.
The U.S. giving too many chances around the box here. 41 caps now for the Leeds man. Lasted in, and it's knocked home. 62nd minute goal, and Jamaica taking advantage. 2 off the free kick, and the party just getting started in Kingston.
Howard's got his post, the wall's there, but look at the way he hits it. That barely gets over the wall. He rips that into that corner.
Now, Luton was also the front man at Harborview FC in the Red Stripe Premier League with 44 blazing goals.
Now the long ball of field to Shelton. Oh, that's brilliant! He marks his return to Harborview and the National Stadium with a fantastic header. And with the equalizer now in this contest, Shelton makes his mark. It's 1-1. Superb. Welcome back to the RSPL Luton Shelton.
That was class. Top goal scorer.
He played his high school football at Wolmer's Boys before he ascended to the RSPL. He also rumbled for other European teams such as Heisenberg in Sweden, Karabükspor in Turkey, and Volga Nizhny Novgorod in Russia. He leaves behind wife Bobette and 3 children. Reporting for Jamaica Social Sports, I'm Cassius Watson.